Hi everyone. Next problem also based upon the same topic only your question will be changed. As you can see the question, what is given in the question, the truck owner find from his past record, one owner of the truck is there, okay now, one owner of the truck is there. Here what is given, the truck owner find from his past record that the maintenance cost for rupees year of the truck whose purchase price is 8,000. At what price it will purchase? Cost of the purchase is equal to how much he purchased the truck. Actually truck will not come on that price, it will be in lakhs, but as example it is given. How much it is given? 8,000. How much it is given? 8. Determine at what time it will be profitable to replace the truck. Determine at what time it will be profitable to the but what is the difference between previous problem and this problem? In previous problem salvage value is given. Salvage value means at the end of the year, at the end of the year, at the end of the year means how many years he used, then he want to decided to sell that one. But here as you can see here, year is given, maintenance cost is given and resale value is given. Year is given, maintenance cost is given and resale value is given. Year is given, maintenance cost is given and resale value is given. Year is given, maintenance cost is given and resale value. In the previous one, resale value for end of the all year it is given. But in this problem, resale value is given for particular year. Suppose he want to sell that truck, okay na? The cost is how much? 4,000. In second year, if you want to sell the truck, how much we are getting the cost? 2,000 rupees. In third year, if you want to sell that, how much he is getting? 1,200. Okay, now fourth year, this much. In fifth year, 500. In sixth year, 400. In seventh year, 400. In eighth year, 400. That is 400 is constant. In ninth year also it will be constant, because that is scrap value. Scrap value means the total weight of the body. Total weight of the body will be calculated and it will be sale, okay na, in a scrap house, okay na. So that one is known as the scrap value. After particular use, then it will go for the weightage only, okay na. That one is known as scrap value. That one is known as the scrap value. So what is given? The truck owner find its past record that the maintenance cost per year of the truck whose purchasing price is equal to how much? 8,000. Determine at what time it will be profitable to replace the truck. So determine at what time it will be profitable to replace the truck. Determine it at what time it will be profitable to determine the replace the truck. So here first year is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many years are given total? 8 years are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. In every, it is not necessary always it will be sure 8 year only. You can take 16, you can take 10. But in question, suppose it is given, you have to follow that one only. So after that, maintenance cost for the first year, how much is there? 1,000. For the second year, how much is there? 1,300. For the third year, how much is there? 1,700. Fourth year, how much is there? 2,200. Fifth year, how much is there? 2,900. Sixth year, how much is there? 3,800. In seventh year, how much is there? 4,800. In eighth year, how much is there? 6,000. How much is there? 6,000. In eighth year, how much is there? 6,000. So like this, years are given. Like this, years are given. In first year, this one. Second year, this one. Third year, this one. Fourth year this one, fifth year this one, sixth year this one, seventh year this one, and eighth year this one, like this. And in this problem only, what is given here? Scrap value in particular years. In the previous problem, as you can see the videos or previous videos, after ending of all year, scrap value is given constant, but in every year it is given the scrap value. As you can see here, in the first year, the scrap value is equal to how much? 4,000. In the second year, the scrap value is equal to how much? 2,000. In the third year, the scrap value is equal to how much? 1,200. In the fourth year, the scrap value is equal to how much? 600. In the fifth year, the scrap value is equal to how much? 500. In the sixth year, scrap value is equal to how much? 400. In the seventh year, the scrap value is equal to how much? 400. In the eighth year also, the scrap value is equal to how much? 400. But the thing is, this one will be not given in your question. You have to memorize this one, okay na? This one will be not given in your question. You have to memorize this one. So how to memorize this one? In the previous problem also, this tabular column is same. In the previous problem also, this tabular column is same. First one is the year, second one is the cost. Cost is designated with the letter S. You have to remember this one. After that here salvage value is given. Which value is given? Salvage value. Salvage value is designated with the letter S. Next one is the running cost. Running cost is designated with the letter R. Next one is the depreciation cost. Depreciation cost can be written as C minus S. Depreciation can be written as C minus S. Next one is the cumulative running cost. Cumulative running cost summation of N. Cumulative running cost is equal to summation of N. Next one is the total cost. Total cost can be written as TC. Total cost can be written as TC. Next one is the average cost per year. Average cost can be written as 8. So you have to, for remembering purpose in examination, no need to write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need to write this all that things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. What you have to do in examination, what you have to do means you have to write this one, then for your easy understandable purpose I wrote here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now after that you have to write the how many years are there totally? 8 years are there. How many years are there totally? 8 years are there. With respect to that years only, you have to find out. So how to find out, I will tell you there. First you have to make like this tabular column. This is the initial cost. Initial cost is given in your question. How much it is given? 8,000. How much it is given? 8,000. So here first you have to write years. So how many years are given? As you can see in your question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first you have to write here how many years are given here. Totally 8 years are given. Totally how many years are given here? Totally 8 years are given. So you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many years are there? 8 years are there. So I wrote here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally I wrote the 8 years. Totally how many years I wrote? The 8 years I wrote. After writing that totally 8 years, next one is the initial cost. As you can see the question, initial cost is given. As you can see in the question, here initial cost is given. How much initial cost is given? 8,000. How much initial cost is given here to you? 8,000. How much it is given? 8,000. So what you have to do? You have to write here. What you have to do? You have to write here. How much initial cost is there? 8,000. 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 In the 5th year also 8,000. In the 7th year also 8,000. And here also 8,000. Let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one is the 8. And the last one is the 8. Totally how many years are there? 8 years are. The initial cost for the all years are same. After that next step salvage value. After that what is there? Next step salvage value. After that what is there? Salvage value. As you can see in the last problem, salvage value is given. Okay, na salvage value is given. In the last problem, salvage value is given. But in this problem, salvage value is not given. As you can see here, first year here also given, but as compared to the previous problem, here it is changing. Okay, na? In the first year, as you can see here, how much is there for in the first year? 4,000. So here you can write the 4,000. In the second year, how much is there? 2,000. Second year, how much is there? 2,000. In the third year, how much is there? 1,200. In this year, how much is there? 600. Next year, how much is there? 500. Next year, how much is there? 400. Next year, how much is there? 400. In the next year, how much is there? 400. As you can see here, salvage value is changing. Sorry, here I wrote 4,000, right? In the first year, how much salvage value is there? 4,000. In the second year, how much salvage? But in previous problem, if you watch the previous problems, if you saw the previous videos, in the salvage value is constant throughout. But here, year wise it is changing. Year wise it is changing. In the first year, 4,000. In the second year, 2,000. In the third year, 1,200. In the fourth year, 600. In the fifth year, 500. Then 400, 400, then 400. After that, running cost, as you can see here, running cost is known as maintenance cost. Running cost is known as maintenance cost. So here maintenance costs are given. In the first year, maintenance cost is 1000. In the second year, maintenance cost is 1300. In the third year, maintenance cost is 1700. In the fourth year, maintenance cost is 2200. In the fifth year, maintenance cost is 2900. In the sixth year, 3800. In the seventh year, 4800. In the eighth year, 6000 maintenance cost. The initial cost is 8000 only, but he spent how much? 6000. If we add more 2000, he can purchase the new machine. But the thing is that in the maintenance cost is 6000. Okay, na? So what you have to do, you have to write down the maintenance cost. Maintenance cost was first year, how much it is? 1000. For the second year, 1300. For the third year, how much it is? 1700. In the fourth year, how much it is? 2200. 2200. In the fifth year, how much it is? 2900. In the third year, how much it is? 3800. Next, in seventh year, how much it is? 4800. 4800. And the eighth year, how much it is? 6000. How much it is? 6000. So like this, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, eighth year, maintenance cost. This all things are given in your question. Now your parts will start here. If you want to find out the fifth one, what you have to do? 2 minus 3. Where is 2? Here is the 2. Where is 3? Here is the 3. So 8000 minus 4000. How much it is? Obviously half of that one. That is 4000. Next, 8000 minus 2000. How much it is? 6000. How much it is? 6000. Then 8000 minus 1200. 8000 minus 1200. How much it is? 6800. Then 8000. 2 minus 3, right? 8000 minus 600. 8000 minus 600. How much you are getting? 7400. 7400. Then 8000 minus 500. How much you are getting? 7500. 7500. Then 8000 minus 400. 7600. So here also 7600. Here also 7600. And the last one is also 7600. Because here all three are, you have to subtract by 400. So how much you are getting? 7600, 7600, 7600. Next step, you have to find out the cumulative of 4. Next step, you have to find out the cumulative of 4. How to find out the cumulative of 4? As you can see here, 4 is there. How much is there? This one? 1000. Write down that 1000 as it is. 1000 plus 1300. 1000 plus 1300. So how much it is? 2300. 2300. Then 2300 plus 1700. How much you are getting? 4000. How much you are getting here? 4000. Then 4000 plus answer plus 2200. How much you are getting? 6200. 6200. 6200 plus 6200 plus 6200. Okay. Then 2900. How much you are getting? 9100. 9100. 9100. As you can see here, cumulative means you have to add that one, 9100. Then 9100 plus 3800. So 12900. 12900. 12900. Then 12900 plus 4800. How much you are getting? 177. 17700. 17700. 17700 plus how much? 6000. So 23,700. 23,700. Like this I got. Okay na? So cumulative of 4. Cumulative of 4. This is the cumulative of 4. So first, next one you have to find out the 7. Next one you have to find out the 7. How to find out the 7? How to find out the 7 means 5 plus 6. How to find out the 7 means 5 plus 6. What you have to do? 5 plus 6. So here 5. Where is the 5? As you can see here, 5 is 4000. 4000 plus 100. 4000 plus 1000. So it is 5000. How much you are getting? 5000. Then here 6000 plus 2300. 8300. Then 8600 plus 4000. How much you are getting? 10,800. How much you are getting? 10,800. Then 7,400 plus 6200. How much you are getting? 13600. 13600. 13600. After that 7500 plus 9100. 7500 plus 9100. How much you are getting? 16600. 16600. Next one is the 7600 plus 12900. So 20500. 20500. 20500. Next one 7600 plus 17700. How much you are getting? 25300. 25300. 25300. Next one is the 7600 plus 23700. 7600 plus 23700. How much you are getting? 31. 31300. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Totally how many are there? 8. Totally how many years are there? 8. So next step, what you have to do? 8. If you want to find out the 8, 7 divided by 1. So here I can write 5000 divided by 1. Next one 8300 divided by 2. Next one 10,800 divided with 3. Then next one 13600 divided with 4. Then next one 16600 divided with 5. Next one 20500 divided with 6. Next one 25300 divided with 7. Next one 31300 divided with 8. Like this you have to write. Okay na? First divided by first year, second number divided by second year, third number divided by third year, fourth number divided by fourth year, fifth number divided by fifth year, seventh number divided by seventh year, and the sixth number divided by sixth year, seventh number divided by seventh year, and eighth number divided by eighth year. Like this you have to find out. So first you have to remember this table. The table is year, cost, salvage value. First one is the year, second one is the cost, third one is the salvage value, next one is the running cost, next one is the depreciation, next one is the cumulative running cost, next one is the total cost, next one is the average cost, next one is the what? Average cost. After that what you have to do? You have to remember this red highlighted 1 2 3 4 is as it will be given in your question. If you want to find out the fifth, 2 minus 3. If you want to find out the 6, cumulative of 4. If you want to find out the 7, 5 plus 6. If you want to find out the 8, 7 divided by 1. So here I got some answer. As you can see here, 5000 divided by 1. So how much I will get? 5000 only. How much I will get? 5000. Next one 8300 divided with 2. So how much I am getting? 4150. 4150. Next one 10800 divided with 10800 divided with 3. divided by 3, 3600, 3600. Next one, 13600 divided with 4. So 3400. Next one, 16600 divided with 5. How much? 3320. 3320. 500 divided with 6. 20500 divided with 6. So how much you are getting? 3416.6. Next one, 25300 divided with 7. So how much you are getting? 3614.2. And the last one, that is 31300 divided with 8. So how much you are getting? 3912.5. 3912.5. Now in this problem you can observe that where the value is increasing in the last column, where the value is increasing in the last column, where the value is increasing, as you can see here, where the value is increasing. So if you see the first value, how much value is there? 5000. How much value here? 5000. 5000 is the value. Next one is the 4150. 4150 is less than the 5000. 4150 is less than the 5000. So value is decreasing. Okay, agree. Next one. Next value is 3600 and the previous value is 4150. So 3600 is value is decreasing compared to the previous one. Next one, 3400. 3400. Previous value is 3600. Here also value is decreasing. This one is decreasing compared to this. This one is decreasing compared to this. This one is decreasing compared to this. Now come to here, 3320 and this value is 3400. So 3320 is decreasing. See, here also value decreasing, here also value is decreasing, here also value is decreasing, here also value is decreasing. But if you observe here 3416, here 3320, 3416, here the value is increasing, here the value is increasing, here the value is increasing. So before that whatever is there, which one is there? Fifth one. Which one it is? Fifth one. Which one it is? Fifth one. Fifth one you have to highlight. Which one it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Which one it is? 1600. 16000. So fifth one you have to highlight. 6200 9100. 9100. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Fifth one. This is the fifth one only. Here also I will highlight fifth one. As you can see, this is the fifth value. Fifth value you have to highlight like this. Okay, na? Where the value is increasing, before that value you have to highlight that one. Where the value is increasing, before that value you have to highlight that one. Okay, na? Where the value is increasing, before that value you have to highlight like this. Okay, na? Whenever value is increasing, you have to highlight like this. Okay, na?